Think of business credit like a video game. Starter vendors are the training level. You buy small business items, pay the bill, and build experience points. After a few accounts have reported for a while, your business may unlock Tier 2. That means store cards and fleet cards. Now the game gets more real. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Unlock store and fleet credit options. Understand the power of seasoned accounts. Master responsible credit utilization strategies. Avoid common pitfalls with EIN-only approvals. Leverage 850 AI for smarter credit moves. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Tier 2 credit. The next level of business credit after starter vendors. Store card. A credit account from a retailer that lets your business buy items from. Fleet card. A fuel or vehicle expense card made for business driving costs. Net 30. A bill that is usually due within 30 days. Seasoned account. An account that has been open and reporting long enough to show a pattern. EIN. A tax ID number for a business. Risk profile. The full picture of how risky you look to a lender, not just one score. Now let's jump in. Tier 2 usually means revolving business credit. Revolving credit means you can use it, pay it down, and use it again, like a refillable water bottle. Office supply stores, home improvement stores, and fuel fleet programs may offer this after your business file looks active. It is a step above simple net 30 bills. Here is the part many people miss. Lenders are not just asking, do you have an EIN? An EIN is your business tax ID. They are asking, does this business have a report card? Seasoned accounts are accounts that have reported for a little while. Just like school, one good homework grade is nice, but a pattern is stronger. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. That means your report tells a story about how risky you look. If your business pays early, keeps balances low, and uses credit for real business needs, the story sounds calm. If balances are high and payments are late, the story sounds stressful. Tier 2 credit should feel like a toolbox, not a gift card. Buy printer ink, supplies, tools, shipping materials, fuel, or real business items. Then pay early if you can. Keeping balances low is like packing a grocery cart with only what fits your budget. The goal is not to max out. The goal is to look trustworthy. Some people hear EIN only and think approval is magic. Not true. Sometimes a lender may approve using mostly the business file, but they may still check other details. They may look at your business address, industry, age, revenue, bank habits, or personal credit. EIN only does not mean no rules. It means your business profile matters more. The danger with Tier 2 is moving too fast. If you open too many accounts, spend too much, or pay late, the profile can get messy. It is like learning to drive after using training wheels. You do not floor the gas on day one. Pick useful accounts, use them lightly, and let good payment history stack up. 850 AI helps you read the story your credit file is telling. It can help you track what is reporting, spot weak points, understand balances, and plan the next move. The goal is not guessing. The goal is playing the credit game with a map. So every account has a job, and every payment helps the bigger story.